was Jaffna. Won the toss and decided that they would field first. That's what they enjoy doing. The other night they had to set a target and failed miserably. Here they'll have the opportunity to chase. So it will be the Aura that will have first hit. Already confusion. We're going to go upstairs off the very first delivery, but this could be gone.
Oh, this is going to be a huge beginning, huge wicket.
There was a call.
He was looking at the ball. There was no run available in the air. Wicket number 2 in the first over. Wow. Given the new ball for the first time, and he's making it count. Tikshana.
Bold, bold. Oh, late swing, but just a little scratch. Oh, there's a big shout, there's a big shout. Missing leg stump, you would feel. Oh, that one didn't swing.
He was waiting for that kind of a delivery.
Not quite a half volley, was it? But he's driving. Oh, that's just nuts. Clever. Intentionally just lifted over the inner ring. There's a shout for LBW. Umpire's not interested. He's going to want to go upstairs, but he's come a long way down here. He has come an awfully long way down.
Doing the deed. He finds one of them. Shoaib Malik.
Watch out for Pereira as well as attack. He's wicket to wicket. That'll go for 4, but it wasn't such a bad ball. Had he missed, would have been curtains. It was wicket to wicket.
Dambulla will be looking for. Oh, bowled him. Will Alagate gets the man.
It's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Great temperament for a 19-year-old. Once again. Would want an early.
He's been around a long time, hasn't he?
More than handful with the ball.
A little bit of home when you go overseas. That is a great shot. It's got to be work done. Excellent fielding. We have been lamenting some of the... This one's into the gap. This will be work. This time they can't get there. Great placement along the ground the whole way. Nasanka.
Hasn't been any wear and tear in this pitch.
Guys bowled him. Deceived him in flight. Clever bowling. Full and wide the ball before and then just slows it up. Tikshana back. Oh, the inside edge of the bat. I like this move. We'd spoken the last game about how the captain's
What will depend on this man. Hassan Pereira. They want to run here. Could be trouble. Direct hit. He's done it there against short. Well, direct hits get...
Lalage, they are doing a fabulous job. He's only 19 years old, but has game awareness and presence of mind. And credit to Shoaib Malik really for dislodging the bails. I mentioned it earlier, at times you don't...
And as a kid growing up, would want to eat.
bowled him. That's another one. It's Pereira. Come back, Shoaib Malik.
Get an extra man in.
That's a boundary. That's a welcome boundary. In fact, the timing was good. Hidden.
These need to be 4 very big. And this is proving no different. And that's a good bit of fielding.
Oh, that's a long hop. And the ball has disappeared.
skiddy. It's very, very skiddy. Miller underneath it. Easy. Easy as you like for David Miller at long off. He's found a gap. Hassan Ali's found a gap. That's a good bit of fielding in the deep, so they'll just on.
So much more.
And there is a team meeting, and every day becomes the part of discussion. They need a boundary. They're desperate for a boundary, and Hayden Kerr has given them one. Ends the 19th, 11 from that over, 1-2-1 for 7. Well, beautifully. Gone for just 15 to Shara. He is very handy in this format. They've all been good. Mahesh Tikshana going again. Miller. Same result. He doesn't drop many. He hasn't dropped that one. Hassan Ali has tried his hardest to find a boundary. Oh, wow. What about this for a shot from Noor Ahmed? And he will only get a single.
They are the main bowling options that Dambulla have. Of course, Dhananjay De Silva will also be very useful with the ball. But it's certainly not a 134 pitch, is it? Proved. It's a batter for Dambulla. Down the ground, he pulls it past the bowler for 4. They ask for it given. Asalanka straight away asks for the review. Pace. Oh, third man hangs on. Asalanka does not survive for long. Hassan Ali celebrates. Oh boy, he plays a Ramanullah gurbaz shot and perishes. The wickets, they are tumbling here in Pallekele.
Facing his first delivery of the innings. And against the left armer who's been bowling so well.
He goes mid-wickets there. Square legs there. Oh, brilliant work. That's teamwork for you. Noor Ahmed flicked it in the nick of time, and the Jaffna Kings have lost a third to the naked eye.
That's exquisite. Through the covers, the decision to bring Noor Ahmed on has backfired. Oh, he's got in! Another soft dismissal. Hayden Kerr gets a wicket first up.
He's done only for 2 this time, 27 for 4. The wickets in this situation. Almost a very good try there. It's struck extremely hard by Shoaib Malik.
Oh, that's a good shot. He's placed it perfectly. Oh, he goes downtown. And doesn't even bother looking where it ends up.
Got in! Picked him up! Brilliant bowling. He's been outstanding tonight.
Well, this partnership started to threaten.
Jaffna now 66 for 5.
Oh, no timing, no timing. It's going to be another one. He's taken the catch as well. He took the punt and it... That is it! Brilliant! The direct hit, that should...
Way shot.
He tries for it.
Over will suffice.
He's got one. He has got one.
It's a great shot. Didn't try to muscle it, wanted to get it. There's the first one, 6. Right.
5 more.
Oh no, he's pitched it up again. He's pitched it up again, Noor Ahmed. Surely not.
4 more.
That'll be 4. That will be 4. He's tried hard. And that goes out the ground.
कोई 2 रुपए नहीं, कोई 3 रुपए नहीं, 12 रुपए से ज्यादा पेट्रोल की कीमत बढ़ा देना, ये वो शख्स ही कर सकता है जिसके सीने में दिल नहीं पत्थर है। यानी एक तरफ कहते हैं कि गरीब का बड़ा एहसास है, यानी यकमुश्त 12 रुपए कीमत बढ़ा। पेट्रोल की कीमत कोई 2 रुपए नहीं, कोई 3 रुपए नहीं, 12 रुपए से ज्यादा पेट्रोल की कीमत बढ़ा देना, ये वो शख्स ही कर सकता है जिसके सीने में दिल नहीं पत्थर है। यानी एक तरफ कहते हैं कि गरीब का बड़ा एहसास है, यानी यकमुश्त 12 रुपए कीमत